Hi, I'm Tom, the Thermann Commercial Technical Manager. Today I'd like to run you through the choice that Thermann provides when it comes to commercial manifolds. There are two options available, site-mounted and factory-mounted. The site-mounted option is perfect when you need commercial hot water fast. They suit sites with limited access, indoor installations, or where the cranes are unavailable. The units, frames and accessory boxes are delivered to site as separate components, making them easy to handle. Simply attach the feet, mount the units and connect the flexible hoses and it's ready to plumb. The components of the site-mounted system are in stock at Reece. Factory-mounted manifolds are built to order and delivered with the units attached to the frame. This reduces plumbing and assembly time on site. Ideal for new developments where there's good access for delivery and a crane on site for unloading the manifold. Thermann manifolds provide you with a choice to achieve fast and easy installs in a choice of 28, 32 and even 50 litre models. They're available now from your local Reece store.